Okay, describe a performance you watched recently, right? Now you got to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes, please.
When it comes to watching live performance or music shows, the very first experience comes or springs to my mind is the play Romeo and Juliet that I attend at the City Theatre about 3 years ago. This play, Romeo and Juliet, is a play written by William Shakespeare. This play is about the love between the two young people that are enemies. Romeo and Juliet has always been one of the Shakespeare's most popular play, and it has also been adopted to ballet and TV production and movies. I watched this play with my closest friend named Zara, and at that time we were studying in the same university for our master degree. We planned to watch it without a single thought. We were really enthusiastic to attend it. It was really difficult to book the tickets as the play was really popular, but we managed it eventually. Several factors made this play unforgettable, like the performance was, the quality of performance and the captivating dialogues, and their costume was really awesome. And I still remember a news article acclaimed the actors or actresses for their professionalism. So these are factors which this play made very unforgettable or unmemorable.
Okay, 1 minute 52 seconds, that is fine. Grammatical mistakes are there. I attend 3 years ago.
Okay.
I attended 3 years ago, past tense. Then you said something I couldn't understand. I'll watch the video again.
Okay.
You said written by or
written by.
Written by. Yeah, I heard it like written by something. Then you said adopted. So they have adapted it to ballet and not adopted, adapted. And then for Romeo and Juliet you said has. But if you say this play, Romeo and Juliet, then you can use has. But if you say Romeo and Juliet, then it should be have if you are referring to the persons.
Have.
Right? And there was some use of and. So you should use moreover, furthermore, additionally, like that.
Yes.
Now let's move on to speaking part 3. What's the difference between watching the performance live and watching it on TV?
To my mind, watching live performance or the TV broadcast are completely two different ways of fun. Live performance make the people forget their worries and enable them to think out of the box, and I think so these occasions are perfect to social or extrovert persons, the people who love crowd.
Okay, is it live performance make people? It should be makes people because performance is singular. Then you said enable them. It should be enables them.
Enables.
This thing. Which do you prefer, traditional performance or a concert?
I prefer a concert because I love claps, cheers, laughter, and song along with the live performance, which is absent in the traditional performance.
Okay. Should the government provide financial support to promote traditional performances?
Yeah, obviously, government, it is the responsibility of government to give incentives to the traditional artists to preserve that traditions or form of traditions of entertainment.
Okay, and for part 3, some of your answers are really short. You need to add some more detail and be confident when you are answering. Okay, so your pronunciation is really good. Fluency is one area you need to work, but at the moment it's grammatical range and accuracy that is the first concern. And lexical resources, okay, you can use some better words. I'll give you a bench score 6.5. Right?
Thank you.
Thank you.